Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Enchanté.
Nice to meet you. Maybe. Maybe.
Peut-être.
Maybe. I don't know. I don't know.
Je ne sais pas.
I don't know. I understand. I understand.
Je comprends.
I understand. I don't understand. I don't understand.
Je ne comprends pas.
I don't understand. Of course. Of course.
Sûr.
Of course. How much is it? How much is it?
Combien ça coûte?
How much is it? Where is? Where is?
Où est?
Where is? I love you. I love you.
Je t'aime.
I love you. I miss you. I miss you.
Tu me manques.
I miss you. I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
J'ai faim.
I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty.
J'ai soif.
I'm thirsty. I'm a student. I'm a student.
Je suis étudiant.
I'm a student. I work as a. I work as a.
Je travaille comme.
I work as a. Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Parlez-vous anglais?
Do you speak English? Yes, a little. Yes, a little.
Oui, un peu.
Yes, a little. No, I don't speak French. No, I don't speak French.
Non, je ne parle pas français.
No, I don't speak French. What's this? What's this?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
What's this? Where are we going? Where are we going?
Où allons-nous?
Where are we going? Are we there yet? Are we there yet?
Sommes-nous arrivés?
Are we there yet? Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please?
Pouvez-vous répéter, s'il vous plaît?
Can you repeat that, please? How do you say in French? How do you say in French?
Comment dit-on en français?
How do you say in French? Do you have Wi-Fi? Do you have Wi-Fi?
Avez-vous le Wi-Fi?
Do you have Wi-Fi? What's your Wi-Fi password? What's your Wi-Fi password?
Quel est votre mot de passe Wi-Fi?
What's your Wi-Fi password? I don't have a reservation. I don't have a reservation.
Je n'ai pas de réservation.
I don't have a reservation. Can I have the menu, please? Can I have the menu, please?
Je veux avoir le menu, s'il vous plaît?
Can I have the menu, please? Can I try this on? Can I try this on?
Je vais essayer cela?
Can I try this on? Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards?
Acceptez-vous les cartes de crédit?
Do you accept credit cards? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
Quelle est votre nourriture préférée?
What's your favorite food? Do you want to go out tonight? Do you want to go out tonight?
Veux-tu sortir ce soir?
Do you want to go out tonight? How was your day? How was your day?
Comment était ta journée?
How was your day? Do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk?
Veux-tu aller se promener?
Do you want to go for a walk? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
Quelle est ta préférée?
What's your favorite color? Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings?
As-tu des frères et sœurs?
Do you have any siblings? What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal?
Quel est ton animal préféré?
What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby?
Quel est ton passe-temps préféré?
What's your favorite hobby? I'm bored. I'm bored.
Je m'ennuie.
I'm bored. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty.
J'ai soif.
I'm thirsty. I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
J'ai faim.
I'm hungry. Can we go home now? Can we go home now?
Peut-on rentrer à la maison maintenant?
Can we go home now? Can I have a snack? Can I have a snack?
Je veux avoir une collation?
Can I have a snack? I need to go to the bathroom. I need to go to the bathroom.
J'ai besoin d'aller aux toilettes.
I need to go to the bathroom. What's wrong? What's wrong?
Qu'est-ce qui ne va pas?
What's wrong? Are you okay? Are you okay?
Ça va?
Are you okay? I'm scared. I'm scared.
J'ai peur.
I'm scared. I'm cold. I'm cold.
J'ai froid.
I'm cold. I'm hot. I'm hot.
J'ai chaud.
I'm hot. I'm tired. I'm tired.
Je suis fatigué.
I'm tired. I'm sick. I'm sick.
Je suis malade.
I'm sick. I'm lost. I'm lost.
Je suis perdu.
I'm lost. I'm lonely. I'm lonely.
Je suis seul.
I'm lonely. I'm happy. I'm happy.
Je suis heureux.
I'm happy. I'm sad. I'm sad.
Je suis triste.
I'm sad. I'm angry. I'm angry.
Je suis en colère.
I'm angry. I'm excited. I'm excited.
Je suis excité.
I'm excited. I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
Je suis nerveux.
I'm nervous. I'm confused. I'm confused.
Je suis confus.
I'm confused. I'm busy. I'm busy.
Je suis occupé.
I'm busy. I'm bored. I'm bored.
Je m'ennuie.
I'm bored. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Je suis désolé.
I'm sorry. I'm fine. I'm fine.
Ça va bien.
I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Ça va.
I'm okay. I don't know. I don't know.
Je ne sais pas.
I don't know. I don't understand. I don't understand.
Je ne comprends pas.
I don't understand. Can you help me? Can you help me?
Pouvez-vous m'aider?
Can you help me?